Hi, in this video, I want to show you how you can create a directory as well as subdirectory automatic create when directory is not exist. So now you can understand using example. I create a path, and here it's C OPT test 3 and test 2 and test 1. Now, as we know, this is a path of location, so we are going one by one. So I open here, yes, C OPT, and here test 3 not available. We are also going to editor, and we can create a path, and here one is file, create directories, files, create directories, and here add parameter is a path. Now here need to handle exception because of it is a file handling. Now here ask for Java IO exception. Those IO exception need to handle here. Now I run this program. Where exception throwing here. You can see what is the exception, illegal character. Okay. I run this file. Now we can see here test 3, test 2, and test 1. Three directory it is created automatically, and also subdirectory is also created. So this way we can create any directory if not exist.